India vs Bangladesh 2024 Test and T20 Series Final Schedule. Test Series Final Schedule. First Test match starting date 19 September 2024. Time 9:30 AM IST. Venue M. H. Sidaram Stadium, Chennai. Second Test match starting date 27 September 2024. Time 9:30 AM IST. Venue Green Park Stadium, Kanpur. T20 Series Final Schedule. First T20 match starting date 6 October 2024. Time 7 PM IST. Venue Dharmashala Stadium, Dharmashala. Second T20 match starting date 9 October 2024. Time 7 PM IST. Venue Delhi International Stadium, Delhi. Third T20 match starting date 12 October 2024. Time 7 PM IST. Venue Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, Hyderabad.